My people, how na dey? My name still be Ijeoma. E never change. I see all una likes, I see all una comments, I see all una DMs. When I see they talk about this O2K matter, but abeg now, make una engage on other videos we don do. No be only that O2K matter I don do. Okay, I promise I no go cry again for any picture review. Abeg. Make una look our other books we don review. But today book, if una never see this girl for Instagram, when I just put her name, when I go see her name go pop up. I never see person wey market herself reach this lady, which is why even this review why they do now, I purposely no do am on time, because sometimes I dey like make everything don relax, people don rush read book finish, their head don come down small, and after I come read the book, so that when I dey talk say the book na rubbish, no be rubbish for this case, e no go be as if I dey vex. I don use my money buy am, nobody give me the book, so I feel say I get small right to talk about the book. Now, if una look the name of the book, e call am Memory of Stone by Chiyozo. I even put her social media name and everything when I fit find her to engage her. This girl no be big person like that too. The first time I even speak to the girl for phone, now this na one kind big girl. When they come tell me say this person never reach 20 years, I no believe am. Because this kind of book now, people wey don reach, like, J.K. Rowling, not just Game of Thrones people wey dey write this kind of book. Now then they write this kind of book. But when you see pikin wey write this kind of book, you go first dey think say, madam, which kind of film you dey watch? Which kind of parents you get? Because sometimes too, if you no get encouragement for house, e dey show for some kind things or behavior wey we dey see some people dey exhibit. But this book, e talk about one girl wey make me understand say, okay, na make she write am like this. The girl name na Nix, and na criminal. I no go tell the kind criminal wey she be, but she dey run her paroles for one city wey they call the Bottoms, or rather they nickname the city the Bottoms. So I don't know wetin she find though. Na lie, I know wetin she find because I read the book. They can't catch am, can't keep am inside cell. As she dey inside cell, of course, first way they lock now, you go dey think of how you go use comot yourself for the wahala where you enter because of wetin your eye can't go see. Sometimes they good to find some things shut up, sometimes they good to find those things talk am. But depending on who you talk am to, if you put it for inside serious gbege. Na so she dey dey think say, depending on how the thing they take shele, I need to come out of here, because you can't find out say her friend, the only person where she know, I no go tell her the name of the friend. When I read the book and I go find out, she need to go out to go help this girl. If not, something will happen to both her and that her friend. So imagine where they arrest you, you dey inside prison, you dey think of how you use comot the prison, number one. You dey think of how you go fit dey reach on time so that you go fit help your friend, make your friend know that, or make your friend no enter the wahala wey you sef don enter. So now all those little things nine they happen for the book wey sweet me, because one don already dey tell me say sometimes this friendship wey everybody dey look like, I don't need a friend, I don't need person for my life. Na lie, nobody be island. Last you must come out for your house. You must leave your papa and mama, you must leave your sister, you must go university, you must go work, you must find person where you go like, wey no necessarily need to be your family member, wey must be your friend, because nobody fit stay alone. Fine, when they talk to anybody don't ever die from loneliness, but sometimes then they help if you get people where they in your corner. Now be the first thing why I noticed for the book. You dey see say person wey dem catch, where you expect say she would think about herself only. You see they think criminal or thief or anything when I feel call this girl when they call Nix. See they think. That means say bad though. Sometimes not just they look say all these people they parade for TV as thief or 419 and everything. Sometimes you get one good part of them where somebody where they look them for that TV, like me and you, see, where make them become their friend. So now the first thing wey impress me about this girl wey they call Nix for the book, where make me think say, okay, if she fit do this kind of thing, that means say it dey applicable to us and you, and na something wey you fit do tomorrow. The second thing be say, we come bring the second character. The guy name na Blade, but the person name na Blade. I know whether one na guy or girl. More na go buy this book, read them. I know I dey try to hold myself, I no expose too much, but Lawrence Blade, when I read the book, I understand now, like all those kind of commander, like Superman, where they like to wear mask, and now legend and na just 18 years. When I dey think wetin I don dey think, when I read the book, I no go tell una whether they become enemy or dem jam or they become friends or they friend themselves. And open my mouth na go hear am. But when I read the book, una go understand say sometimes maybe because of when you see book cover, some book covers dey make you wan buy book. If you see this book cover, if you talk say abeg wetin be the story wey this girl dey talk about. But if you comot your eye for the cover of this book, read the story, and you guys make I speak small Yoruba, una go understand why I like this book and why I need una to buy a copy of this book. When I no look the cover, Parisha Publishers na one set of people wey I dey respect. You can't see this their origami imprint. No. If be like say Asafi verse this year, she just tell herself say, man, I no care what anybody they talk, but I could give una back-to-back hits. You know, I don't want to they call the name of all their books so they don't release this year, but these people, and they first so in a good way. That is why I won't make you follow her for social media. She did Facebook, she did Twitter, she did Instagram, she did social media. I go put the place when I fit check when I fit get her name. But as I dey talk about this Blade guy, so when the king of that Lauren now will be another city, come Bandam Becca for another mission where he no expects. Now there and then no, as he don't meet this girl where they call Nick, single guys decide say guy, which person side you did? You did the king side, have you did your side, have you did this girl side, have you did everybody's side. Now maybe the second thing why they talk about this thing they call loyalty, maybe just per mouth. You get reason why people they talk say you go good for you to get friends, but you need to get friends with the lawyer. So that if tomorrow they get there tomorrow, people they insult you. You know, so you get one person. Me, I get two people like that for my life. We're nothing, even if you be in the kitchen. You go my back, go meet those people. I stand in back. Don't feel expose me. You understand? Maybe I be bad person, but say push comes to shove, I become politician tomorrow. And I come to say I'll go meet her friends. I beat my chest. Now waiting, this Blade guy remind me of for this her book. When I read this book, because I dey hold myself, I no expose everything when I don't read for this book. But this book, you finish work. But till I come on away next week, I still be Ijoma. I never change my name. I bet when I follow us on social media, we did Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Telegram, YouTube. And we still get this our 5K campaign. Guys, make I need that for Grand Beguna. More than they follow us now. True. Till I come on away next week. When I do well.